Zog Nit Keyn Mol was the anthem, like Zog Nit Keyn Mol as du gehst dem letzten Weg, wenn Himmeln bleien verstellen bläue Tag, weil kommen wird noch unser ausgebänkte Schau. Es wird abbeugt an unser Trott, wir seinen da, weil kommen wird noch unser ausgebänkte Schau. Es wird abbeugt an unser Trott, wir seinen da. That was, the gist of the first stanza, was, never say that skies are leaden, the hour will come when our steps will be heard, that we are here. It was an anthem that was ingrained in our mind, and we would sing it very often in Yiddish school when we had events. And it was almost, we actually literally stood up as you would for the national anthem. Mm-hmm. It was that, had that kind of power